The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central St. Johns County and northeast Florida until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 9 miles west of St. Augustine South, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to St. Augustine Shores, St. Augustine South, St. Augustine, Villano Beach, Butler Beach and St. Augustine Beach. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Doppler radar has indicated some weak rotation within the storm. While not immediately likely, a tornado may still develop if a tornado is spotted. Act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Report severe weather or damage to the nearest law enforcement agency or your county emergency management. This recording was created using spoken text.